my name is Amore Love, and today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me, just blow drying and styling my hair, and then I'm going to do my face. So let's just get started. The first thing I want to let you guys know is I washed and conditioned my hair last night, and I just kind of like did this and put in a ponytail so that it could be semi-stretch and it's like just damp up in here. So what I'm going to do is apply my heat protectant and some serum. I'm using the 100 proof serum from Drybar. It's really just for smoothing and shine. I don't know if it actually does anything, but I really like the smell of it, and I love how it makes my hair feel just super silky and shiny. So I'm going to put this in thoroughly and get the ends. I'm going to put more in my hair after it's actually styled too, so yeah. Then I'm going to be taking the Sebastian Trilliant heat protectant spray, and it's kind of like separated, so you have to like shake it up before you use it, and it looks all cloudy. And then you just thoroughly saturate your hair in it. Then I like to take my Tangle Teaser and brush it all through. Normally I like to use a cream heat protectant too, but today I'm going to be curling my hair, and back when I used to curl my hair all the time, I used to not put no product in my hair. I know that's not what you're supposed to do, but I just kind of like how my hair curls when there's less product in it. So I'm only using 2 products today, but y'all know the other products I use based on all the other videos you've watched. And if you haven't watched them, you should go catch up. Now I'm going to do this side the exact same way. You know those areas in your hair that don't really get that much stuff. Try to get that. Okay, so the tangle. So now I'm just gonna blow dry out the dampness. I'm gonna be using the blow dryer I got from cosmetology school. Same old handy dandy, works just fine. And it's really strong too. So like literally, my hair will be dry in like 2.5 seconds. So when I blow dry my hair, you guys already know. If you don't know, please subscribe, because I post a lot of beauty content, vlogs, hair tutorials, wig stuff, hair color stuff, like all the stuff. Just go ahead and subscribe. But basically, for people who are new, I like to use a paddle brush that's a Tangle Teaser, and then I blow dry and stretch my hair like this while I'm going like this, knocking the moisture out like diagonally sideways the whole way down. And then if my hair is like really wet, I'll just like hold it out like this and keep it stretched, and I won't even like move the brush, and I'll just keep going like this with the blow dryer, so that basically that whole section is dry, and I'm not doing the most like keep raking through my hair like over and over and over and over and over, you know. So that's what I do. I just know I'm not going to be able to explain that with the blow dryer on, so yes, now you know what I'm doing and why I'm doing it, okay? I put it on the highest power with medium heat. Like it's cool, it's not heat, it's like warm. But like if you keep it in one spot, it could get too hot, but just don't keep it in one spot, so yeah. So this side is all done and all dry, and now I'm just gonna do the same thing to the other side. Alright, so we are done. Now you guys know that I love to split my hair down the middle, and for straightening I do the left side and the right side, and I work my way up to the front. If you've ever watched any of my tutorials, I've been doing it the exact same since I was like 15, 16 years. So yeah, ain't nothing new, same old thing. I'm just gonna be doing the same 2 sides, starting on my left side, because that's just what I do. Starting on my left side. So taking a butterfly clip, I'm just gonna clip that and then loop it back into the clip so it's not in my way. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on this side, except we're gonna take out a section like this. You know, like it's thick long way, but like the amount of hair, we can like finesse that through the flat iron. So that's the first section, and then we're gonna clip everything else up on the in another butterfly clip. Okay, so now I have my handy dandy brush, and my handy dandy flat iron. So I've decided I'm actually gonna curl my hair as I flat iron it, because that's just what I'm used to doing. What I do is the brush chase method instead of the comb chase method, and I feel like doing it this way really just helps to like not only get all the strands in line, but it also helps to pull your hair straight, like stretched, so that when you flat iron it, everything is pulled. You don't have to go over it so many times, and you just do it like that. Okay, and then now what I do to curl it is I take that same set. You could do one pass, like you could easily get away with doing one pass with this flat iron. I'll leave this flat iron linked below. I also got this in my cosmetology school kit back in 2011, and it still works perfectly fine. This is by Babyliss Pro, and I'll leave it linked for you guys if you're looking for a flat iron that just lasts forever. And I looked on Amazon, and now the price is like $60. When I first got this flat iron, this thing was very, very expensive, so that's cool. I think it's because they came out with the new Prima 3000 flat iron, the blue and silver one, which is probably why this one's cheaper now, but this one's amazing just as well. So what I do is straighten it, and then from the root I pinch it and turn it until all the hair is fed through the other side. Boom! And I just leave it like that until I'm completely done with my hair, and then I'll show you guys how to actually style it and stuff with your fingers. But that'll be at the end, so don't worry about it. It's just gonna stay like that for now, and we're just gonna work our way up the head and basically continue to do the exact same thing. Let me see if I can show y'all. I'm just taking my index finger and I'm feeling like where it's at, and then I just go like that. So yeah, that's what I do. My hair smells hecka good. Boom. So next section, going through, make sure all the strands are through the brush. It should literally be able to like stay there. And then pull it out. So you guys see that you can do one pass and it have like body and stuff, but I'm curling my hair today, so technically that counts as 2 passes. Taking this, you pinch it at the root and you just start turning it. It helps if you feed this over so that it doesn't get all messy. Boom. Boom, you know, like it looks very tight and Shirley Temple now, but watch at the end, I'm just gonna like stretch it out, rake my fingers through it, and there'll be these cute, like, you'll see. Now that we're in the front, we're going to start going this way. So then for this whole piece, I take the whole thing and I flip it up and back. Okay, so now that we're done with this side, see all that body? That's the benefit of not having too much product in your hair. Like some of them might not curl as much as it would if you had a head full of hairspray, but I like to do that at the end. So cool. Okay, boom. So I keep the flat iron on because some pieces look a little sus, like they ain't trying to get with the program. Now we have to spray this side. Okay, so now I'm gonna flip my hair upside down and do that. So now I can spray. Okay, so this is the part where I basically style it all with my fingers, but if in case you did want to actually wear your hair like this, this is what it looks like. And then I'll show you the back before we get into like messing it all up, because I know some of y'all sometimes feel some type of way about me running my fingers through my curls, but yeah. So so that's what it looks like from the back. Obviously some of the pieces weren't curling as much as I would like them to, but I'm just not about to put too much heat on my hair. It's really not that deep, especially because once I run my fingers through my hair, it's going to be looser anyway. So let's just go ahead and get into that. But before we run our fingers through, okay, so taking 1 pump of serum, then I get it through my fingers, because you know when you go like that, it's, you know. So look, I know, I go all the way through. Then I just kind of pull them all. And I rake it through. Go to the other side, rake it through. Then what I do is I take my fingers back like this. I just keep doing that. And then I just kind of that's annoying that some of the pieces didn't curl, but nonetheless, it's still cute. It's just not how I normally be having it, but yeah. Alright, you guys, so now that the hair is all complete, we're gonna zoom you all in so that we can get started on the face.